Hello students, welcome back to the CSAT course of Vyasa IAS. So this is our lecture 4 of HCF and LCM, and in this lecture along with the question of HCF and LCM, we will also do some of the question of UPSC previous year. So every video I will try to do some of the previous year UPSC questions starting from 2013. All right, 2013-14, from when the CSAT became qualifying. So from that year, we will do all the UPSC questions that are needed in CSAT. Okay, so let's begin. Let's begin with our session. So look at this question. It is saying the greatest number which on dividing 1657 and 2037 leaves the remainder 6 and 5. Okay. So till now, we were doing questions related to the least common multiple. Okay. Till now, we were doing question related to the least common multiple. Least common multiple में क्या कि हम बोलते थे कि any number which is divisible by 9, 8, 7, 6 है ना and leaves the remainder 3, find that number. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम क्या करते थे, बेसिकली इन नंबर्स का LCM लेते थे एंड इसमें 3 और ऐड करते थे तो हमारा नंबर आ जाता था जिसमें हमारा remainder 3 ho. Okay, all right. Now in this question it is asked the greatest number which on dividing 1657 and 2037 leaves the remainder 6 and 5 respectively. All right, so it is asked this. So how do we proceed in this type of question where it is asked the greatest number which on dividing 1657 and 2037 leaves the remainder 6 and 5. So first of all, let us find the HCF. Okay, first of all, let us find the HCF. Now you have 1657 and 2037. All right. So इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस निकाल लेते हैं. डिफरेंस निकालने से HCF का कौन सा नंबर है ये पता चलता है बिकॉज वंस वी टेक आउट द HCF ऑफ दीज नंबर्स और वंस वी टेक आउट द डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस नंबर वी नो कि जो भी HCF होगा वो इस नंबर का फैक्टर होगा. ऑलराइट, जो भी HCF होगा वो इस नंबर का फैक्टर होगा एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर विच ऑन डिवाइडिंग दिस एंड दिस gives the remainder 6 and 5 respectively. So take this 2037. Guys, look at this question. You have it is asking the greatest number which on dividing 1657 and 2037 leaves the remainder 6 and 5 respectively. So let us do this question. Now we have 1657 and 2037, all right. And it is asking that this gives the remainder 6 and this gives the remainder 5. Okay. So if any number 1657 gives the remainder 6, okay, then any number which is 6 less than this number, then that will give the remainder 0. So we have 1651 as the remainder 0. Will give the remainder 0 with this greatest number what they are asking. And then we have 2037. This gives the remainder 5. So we have 2032 that will give the remainder 0 with this greatest number, that gives remainder 6 with this, and the greatest number that gives remainder 5 with this. Alright, so basically now you have to find the HCF of 2032 and 1651. Okay, so that will give the remainder 6 with 1657 and that will give the remainder 5 with 2037. Alright, so I hope you understood this concept. Now let's move forward in this question. Now what we will do, we'll just subtract this 2032 minus 1651. So we have 1 here. Okay, we have 8 here. We have what? 381 here. Okay, you can obviously check this. Okay, you can obviously check this. You have 381 here. Alright, you have 381 here. Now 381 is not in the option. Okay, so we have what is left for us is, let us check whether these can give any factor of 381. Okay, whether these can give any factor of 381. So I definitely know 123 and 127 can. Okay, so if you multiply this by 3, you have 3 7s are 21, 2 3s are 6, 8, and this is what? This is um, this is 3 itself. Okay, this is 3 itself. So see, because 381 was not in the option, then we are checking the multiple of this number. Okay, so one multiple we are getting 127. Why I am not uh, checking for other multiples? Because इन्हीं से multiple check कर लूंगी ना, तो then only I will get it. So I know this 305 I will not get as multiple of 381. Okay, so let me check with 127 itself. Now 127 will be able to divide this. Okay, 127 will be able to divide this. You can check it obviously. Okay, and 127 will be able to divide this as well. Okay, so I think this will go 13 times and this will go 16 times. You can check it. 1651 and 127 into 13, let's say. So this is 21 and this is 2 3 6 and 8 and this is 381 and you have 127. Okay, and you have this 151651. Okay, and this will be divisible or 16 times. Okay, this will be divisible 16 times because 7 6 are 42. So this is what? 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 4 16, 1 762 and this is 127. So this is 2 3, this will become 0 and this is 2032. Okay, 2032. So this is 1651 and 2032. All right, this is 1651 and 2032. Now what is the greatest number which on dividing? So obviously we are getting 127. You can check for 123. You are not going to get the multiples. Okay, you are not going to get the multiples. So I hope everybody understand this, what I am trying to tell here. Let me clarify once again what the solution is. I am saying that the greatest number which on dividing 1657 and 2037 gives the remainder 6 and 5 respectively. So basically अगर इसमें से 6 रिमूव कर देंगे और 5 रिमूव कर देंगे तो ऐसा नंबर मिल जाएगा जो कि ये जो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर पूछ रहा है उससे डिविजिबल होगा. ओके, अब जब डिविजिबल ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर पूछ रहा है तो डेफिनेटली ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर या एचसीएफ निकालना पड़ेगा और वो निकालने का तरीका हमको पता है. वी हैव 1657 माइनस 2037 तो हमारा 381 आता है. 381 इसका एचसीएफ तो हो सकता है. ओके, 381 किसका एचसीएफ? ये 1651 और 2032 का एचसीएफ तो हो सकता है, बट वो हमारे ऑप्शन में आंसर नहीं दिया, तो हम इसके फैक्टर्स निकाल लेंगे जो इससे डिविजिबल हो. एक बार हमने चेक कर लिया कि वो डिविजिबल है तो हमें मिल गया ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. ओके, सो हमें मिल गया ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. सो दिस इज हाउ वी डू दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. आई होप एवरीबडी इज क्लियर विद दिस थिंग. दिस वाज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट बट ओनली अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. Now see, this is asking which of the following has the most number of divisors. Okay, which of the following has the most number of divisors. जब भी आपको पूछा है कि most number of divisors मतलब ऐसे नंबर पूछ रहा है जो कि on dividing these numbers give you remainder equal to 0. Okay, जो कि on dividing on these numbers gives you remainder equal to 0. So what you have to do here, see I already told you how to find the number of factors of a number. So that is the same as number of divisors of a number. Okay, so you have 99. You very well know 3 into 11, 3 square into 11 is it. So number of factors of 99 is what? Number of factors is 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. So total factors are how much? 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Okay, when you are asked 101 का factor, so 101 you will get as a prime number. So you have 101 into 1. Okay, तो number of factor क्या है? 2 ही होंगे, है ना? Number of factor 2 ही होंगे. So 176. Now what is 176? Okay, what is 176? So I think 88 into 2. This is 8 to the 16 and this is 8 to the 16, 17. And now this 88 is what? So we can write this as 2 to the power 4 into 11 because, sorry, 2 to the power 2 to the power 4 into 11. Okay, because this became 88 for us and then 88 is 2 cube into 11 and we have one more 2. So we have 2 to the power 4 into 11. So 176 you can write as what? 2 to the power 4 into 11. So the number of factors will be 4 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. So this will be 5 into 2, that is 10, I explained you very well how to calculate the number of factors. So I'm using only that method only. Okay. And 82 is what? 91 into 2. Okay, 91 into 2. Okay, 182 is 91 into 2. Whether 91 is a prime number or not. Okay, whether 91 is a prime number or not. Now, see, basically we are not getting, okay, 91 we are not getting at most places. Okay. So, like you can see 7 3s are 21, you will get only 51. Okay. So 91 is not a, is so you have 192 and 91 into 2. Okay, so you have 2, you will get 2 into 13 into 7. Alright, 2 into 13 into 7. So, how many factors you will get here? 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1. So that is number of factors will be 8. All right, number of factors will be 8. So obviously you have this 176 as the number which has got the most number of divisors. So I hope everybody is clear with this thing. Now let's move forward. Now look at this question. You have the LCM of two numbers is 48. The numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. The sum of the number is. So LCM of two number is 48, it is saying. Okay. The numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay. The numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Then the sum of the number is. See, I told you a formula LCM into HCF is equals to product of numbers. Okay, product of numbers जिनका आप LCM और HCF ले रहे हैं. Now see, if a number is in the ratio of 2 is to 3, so then if I multiply, if x I take as HCF, okay, if I take x as HCF, then these number will be what? 2x and 3x. Because you multiply the highest common factor into these remaining numbers, so then only you will get these numbers. है ना. आप क्या करिए, आप HCF लीजिए, HCF को रेशियो के इन नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए तो आपको वो नंबर्स मिल जाते हैं, है ना. क्योंकि अगर हमने किसी नंबर से HCF निकाल लिया तो बचा वही नंबर्स जो कॉमन नहीं है. तो अगर हमने उसमें HCF वापस डाल दिया तो मिल गया वो नंबर, है ना. तो हमको वो नंबर मिल जाता है. ओके, सो आई होप एवरीबडी इज क्लियर विद दिस थिंग. नाउ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग HCF and LCM. So HCF I have as x because I took this as x, and LCM I have 48. Okay, LCM I have 48. Let us write this x as this. So we have 48 into x, and this I will write as 2x into 3x. So this x get cancelled. We have 6x is equals to 48. So basically x you get x is equals to 8. If x is equals to 8, then one number is 16. Okay. And other number is what? 24. You add these number, you are getting what? 40. So 40 is the answer. So this is how you can do this question. This was on the simpler side, but still I needed to tell. Now see, if you have to find the HCF of fractions, so basically what you have to do, you have to find the HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. So let us find the HCF of 9, 12, 18 and 21. Okay, so what is the HCF of 9, 12, 18 and 21? You have 3 here. 3 into 3, you have 3 into 4. Okay, you have 3 into 3 into 2 and you have 3 into 7. So what is the greatest common factor? Greatest common factor is only 3. So we have got 3. Now we have this can be a possible solution and this can be a possible solution. Now I know this is the solution because देखिए you have 3 by 5, but then ये 10, 25, 35 और 40 का LCM 5 नहीं हो सकता. Okay, because these numbers should be able to divide this number. So nobody is able to divide this number. Still, we will go on finding the LCM. So we have 10, 20. So this automatically becomes our answer. But still, 10, 25, 35 and 45 we have. है ना? Now, how to find the LCM of these numbers. Okay, so ये क्या है? 5 into 2, 5 into 5, 5 into 7, and 5 into, we have this what? 5 into 8. Okay, we have 5 into 8. So let me take 5 from here. I took 2 from here. I We take one more 5 from here. We take 7 from here. We have 1 5. So we can take this 8 here. Okay. So we already have 1 2. So let us take 2 more 2. So let us take 4. Now this is what 25 into 4 is 100, and 100 into 14 is what? 1400. So this is the LCM you are getting. So HCF of these fraction is equals to FCF of numerator upon LCM of denominator. Now this was a simple calculation thing, but see, we could have done this without calculating the LCM only, because see, 10, 25, 35 and 40 cannot have 5 as its LCM. Okay. So once you get the HCF for 3 here, so then you know that yes, 3 by 5 cannot be the LCM, then 3 by 1400 is there. All right. So this is how you do. Again, listen, 10, 25, 35 and 40 cannot has its LCM as 5, because the number of LCM should be such that all of these numbers should be able to divide this number. Okay. All of these numbers should be able to divide this number. So when we take 1400, so every one of these is able to divide this 1400. Okay, completely. So this is why we get this LCM. So this becomes intuitive, and you don't have to calculate much. But then next, let us see. Now look at this question. It is saying the sum of two number is 55. Okay, the sum of two number n1 and n2, let us say it is 55, and the HCF of n1 and n2 is 5. Okay, the HCF of n1 and n2 is 5, and uh, LCM is 120. LCM is 120. All right. Um, then sum of the reciprocal of the number is equal to, okay, sum of the reciprocal हमको पूछा है, तो हमको HCF into LCM पता है क्या होता है, N1 into N2. Okay, so you have 120 into 5 is equals to N1 by N2. All right. Now from here, this becomes what? 12 5s are 60, 2 5s are 10, 60. So this becomes 600. All right. This becomes 600. So now N1 into N2. See, now you are given N1 comma N2. Then a product of N1 and N2 is equals to 600. All right. Now see, you are asked the sum of the reciprocal of the number. Now N1 and N2 have sum 55. You are asked 1 by N1 plus 1 by N2 is equals to what? Is equals to what? तो देखिए N1 and N2 को अगर हम डिवाइड कर दे N1 by N2, N2 by N1 by N2, and this also I divide 55 by N1 and N2. So basically both sides are multiplying N1 by N2. So this becomes what? N1 N1 cancel. This becomes N2 N2 cancel. So 1 by N1 is equals to 1 by N2. This is what the question is asking. What is the sum of reciprocal of the number? So we have what? 55 by 600 obviously, and this is 5 11 times, 5 120 times. So 11 by 120 we are getting the answer. Okay, so 11 by 120 we are getting the answer. So this is how we can do this question. All right, so this was simple. Now look at this question. Now we are solving some of the UPSC question that have been asked in the previous years. Now it is saying, if R and S are different integers, both divisible by 5, then which of the following is true? If R and S are different integers and both are divisible by 5, then which of the following is true? See, there is, what is the possibility? Is which of the following is not necessarily true? Now you have R and S and both are divisible by 5. So you can have that R and S कैन बी द नंबर कि दोनों के एंड पे 0 हो, ओके, दोनों के एंड पे 5 हो, एक के एंड पे 5 हो, एक के एंड पे 0 हो, और एक के एंड पे 0 हो, एक के एंड पे 5 हो, ठीक है ना। सो सी, नाउ इट इज आस्किंग r minus s is divisible by 5. ओके, r minus s is divisible by 5 इट इज आस्किंग। सो देखिए, अगर दोनों के एंड पे 0 होगा, है ना, एनी नंबर दोनों के एंड पे 0 होगा, सो डेफिनेटली 0 तो आएगा ही एंड पे। So that number will be divisible by 5. Then 5 minus 5 will again make the unit digit 0. So then also it will become divisible by 5. And 5 minus 0 will make the unit digit 5. Then also it will be divisible by 5, and 0 minus 5, then again you will have 5. So then also it will be divisible by 5. Okay. So this is divisible by 5. That is necessarily true. Now it is saying r plus s is divisible by 10. Okay, r plus s is divisible by 10. Now any number which is divisible by 5, let's say we have 10 and 20. Okay, so 10 plus 20 when we do, then this is divisible by 10. But if we do 10 plus 25, is this divisible by 10? No. Okay, so we know that this is not necessarily true. Okay, now this is asking r minus r multiplied by s is divisible by 25. Okay, so any number which is divisible by 5. Okay, let's say two, let's take 2 3 conditions. It is saying r into s is divisible by 25. All right, so we take I'll take example of 3 numbers. We have, let's say, 10 into 10. Okay, then both the unit digit are 0. It is both these are divisible by 5, and I know very well that 100 is divisible by 5. Now I take 10 into, let's say, 5 only. So this is 50, this is divisible by 25. Now let's say I'll take the smallest number, 5 into 5 is 25. This is also divisible by 5. Okay. So in any condition, now you increase 1 here, then also divisible, increase this, then also divisible by 25. Okay. So r multiplied by s is always divisible by 25. And then it is saying r square plus s square is divisible by 5. So now this is very easy, because see, if r has both 5 and 5 square, then again both the numbers will return 5 and 5 as 0 digit. This will become 0. This will be divisible by 5. If both have 0 as unit digit, okay, then again they will return 0 in the unit digit after addition. That will be divisible by 5. So in any case they will be divisible by 5. So we get r plus s is divisible by 10. This condition is not necessarily true. Okay, only this condition is not necessarily true. तो अगर आपको divisibility test पता है 5 का, so you can definitely do this question. Okay, so if you know the divisibility test, then you can definitely do this question. Now you have, okay, this question we already did. How many integers are there between 100 and 300? These are all UPSC questions. Okay, that either begin or end with 2. ओके, तो अभी देखिए सिंपल यूपीएससी क्वेश्चन है। इसमें पूछा है कि 100 और 200 के बीच में ऐसे कितने डिजिट हैं दैट विल that either begin or end with 2. Okay, begin or end with 2. So see, how do you do this? So between 100, okay, between 100 and 200. Okay, so from here you will start, you will get 102 here. So this ends at 2. Then you will have 112, 122, 132, 142, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. Okay, so these are all the numbers that will end in 2. Other than these, none will end in 2. 100 से 200 के बीच में, ठीक है ना, और फर्स्ट डिजिट तो सबकी 1 ही है. So it is asking either begins or end with 2. So how many basically did you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10. Okay, so you have 10. You have 10 digits that end in 2 between 100 to 200. Okay, between 100 to 200. Guys, look at this question we have. How many numbers are there between 100 and 300 that either begin or end with 2? So we have between 100 and 300. How many numbers are there that either begin or end with 2? Okay, so count from 102 to 192. You will get 10 numbers that are ending with 2. Then you count from 200 to 299. You will get what? 100 numbers that are beginning with 2. So 100 plus 10, you get what? 110. So this was the UPSC question. This was so easy. So this was always also in the easier years of the UPSC. But still, these are very simple things. Don't make mistakes in these. Okay. Now we have this question. It is saying if there are 13 two-digit consecutive odd numbers, if 39 is the mean of the first five such numbers, then what is the mean of all the 13 numbers? Okay, so it is saying you have two digit consecutive odd numbers. Okay, consecutive odd numbers है जिसमें 39 mean है of the first five such numbers. Okay, so see, two digit consecutive odd number और 39 mean है, तो see, we have not studied the mean now, but still we are trying to do this question. क्योंकि कर सकते हैं. मीन जो है बहुत ही जनरल टर्म होता है. मीन बेसिकली क्या होता है कि सम ऑफ द नंबर्स डिवाइडेड बाय द नंबर ऑफ नंबर्स. तो आपको 5 नंबर का मीन पूछा है तो ऐड कर दीजिए और फिर डिवाइड कर दीजिए 5 से. ओके, तो क्योंकि 39 मीन है तो एक तरीका ये भी हो सकता है कि इफ आई टेक 37, 38, 39, 40 एंड 41, सो बेसिकली इसका मीन क्या होएगा? ये होएगा, क्योंकि ये इसका मिडिल नंबर है. आप इसको ऐड करके भी देख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव 40, 41, 39, 38, 37. ऑल राइट, सो व्हाट इज द मीन हियर? यू हैव 10 plus 8, 18 plus 7, what? 25 you will get. So 5, 2. Okay, you have this 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11, and 11 plus 8 is what? 195. आपका 195 टोटल आया. आप इसको 5 से डिवाइड करिए. सो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू गेट? 3 5s are 15 and दिस इज व्हाट? 5 9s are 45. सो 39 आपका मीन ऐड करके और 5 से डिवाइड करके भी आ गया, क्योंकि मीन क्या होता है? नंबर ऑफ नंबर्स, सम ऑफ द नंबर्स डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ नंबर्स. एंड अगर आप ऐसे भी देख लीजिए, अगर आपको बोल रहा है 39 मीन है कॉन्सिक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर्स का, कॉन्सिक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर्स. ओके, सो ओके ओके ओके, so you are getting this. Okay, so but the there is a little bit of understanding in the question that you have to put here. You are given 32 digit consecutive odd numbers. Now we have even numbers here, so we cannot use this method. So what we can use here is the numbers may be probably 37, 39, 41, 43. These are odd numbers. Okay, these are odd numbers. तो यहाँ पे हम if we include let's say 35, then also the mean will be this 39. Okay, then also the mean will be this. So calculate this as well. Okay, calculate this as well. Okay, you will find that the mean is that only. So you have what? 10 and 10 again, and this is 5, 25, and then do 2. So you will get what? 3 plus 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Okay, you have, sorry, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, and 11 plus 8 is 195. So the total is again coming to be same, and then we divide this by 5, so then we have 39 as the mean. ओके, वी हैव 39 एज द मीन. तो अगर देखिए, अगर इसमें ऑड नंबर्स बोला रहता तो भी हम सेम चीज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना, कि इनके बीच का मीन ये होगा. कॉन्सिक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर्स लेते तो 37, सॉरी कॉन्सिक्यूटिव नंबर्स लेते 37, 38, 39, 41 ले लेते, तो ये बीच में है तो ये मीन हो गया. इसी तरीके से अगर 39 मीन है तो बेसिकली फर्स्ट 5 नंबर क्या है? 35, 37, 39, 41, 43. अब ये पूछ रहा है देन व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ ऑल द 13 नंबर्स. तो इन्होंने कॉन्सिक्यूटिव, इन्होंने कहा कि पहले 5 नंबर का मीन 39 है, तो उन्होंने हमें बता दिया कि कौन सा नंबर है ना, कौन कौन से नंबर्स इंक्लूडेड है. तो कहाँ से है? 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, कितने नंबर हो गए? 5. लेट्स ऐड 8 मोर नंबर्स. ओके, 8 मोर नंबर्स ऐड कर लेते हैं. 37, 39, 41, 43. विच ऑल नंबर्स विल कम? 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 55 के बाद we have 57, 59. So these are how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Uh, okay, we have exactly 13 number. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. अब देखिए 13 है, तो आप यहाँ से देखिए कि मिडिल नंबर कौन सा है. यू हैव 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो मिडिल नंबर ये 47 है. सो डेफिनेटली यू हैव दिस 47 एज मीन हियर. ठीक है, ये 47 एज मीन. तो ये तो बिल्कुल नंबर लाइन से ये कॉन्सेप्ट, ये क्वेश्चन हो गया. अदर देन नंबर लाइन हाउ कैन वी डू दिस क्वेश्चन? ओके, अदर देन नंबर लाइन इस क्वेश्चन को और कैसे किया जा सकता है? सी, नाउ यू नो कि हमारा फर्स्ट जो ऑड नंबर है वो 35 है. ठीक है, ए हमारा 35 है, डी हमारा क्या है? 2. ओके, डी हमारा 2 है. ठीक है ना. और डी इज 2 एंड योर नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कितने हैं? 13 होने हैं. ओके, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आपके 13 होने हैं यहाँ से. ओके, सो ऑब्वियसली यू नो व्हाट द nth टर्म इज. 13th टर्म क्या होगा? a प्लस n माइनस 1 d. Okay, so this is 35, 12 minus 13 minus 1 into d. So this is what? 12 into this big d is 2. So this is 24. So you have last number as 59. Okay, last number as 59. अब देखिए सम क्या होता है? a plus l n by 2 a plus l. Okay, a मतलब first term, l मतलब last term. So what is a? 35. What is l? 59. 2. And what is n? We have 13. So sum क्या हो जाएगा? 13 into ये 9 plus 5 क्या हो जाएगा? 4. This becomes 8, 9, 94 in divided by 2. So you will get this what? 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are 14. So 47 into 13 you have. ओके, जस्ट डिवाइड बाई 13, क्योंकि आपने 13 नंबर का सम किया है, आपको 13 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा उसका मीन निकालने के लिए. तो आपने 13 से डिवाइड किया तो आपका मीन 47 आ गया. सो आई टोल्ड यू 2 मेथड्स टू फाइंड द मीन हियर. क्या क्या मैंने आपको बताया? फर्स्ट तो आपने इंट्यूटिवली पता कर लिया कि टू डिजिट कॉन्सिक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर से 39 मीन है, तो नंबर चालू कहाँ से हो रहे हैं. ऑल राइट. उसके बाद मैंने आपको ये मेथड बता दिया कि इसको एक्सटेंड करके लिख दीजिए, जो बीच का नंबर है दैट विल बी योर मीन. अगर नहीं पता चल रहा है ऐसे, ठीक है ना, सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, हमने ये पता है कि हमारा ये नंबर 35 है. ठीक है, ये पता है कि ये नंबर 35 है. देन दिस इज a प्लस एन माइनस 1 डी. ओके, a प्लस एन माइनस 1 डी. Okay, and then we have what? Then we have this. ओके, फिर उसके बाद हमने लास्ट नंबर पता कर लिया, हमने सम पता कर लिया कि ये सारे नंबर्स का सम कितना है. सो वी गॉट द सम, और फिर उस सम को हम 13 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो एवरेज या मीन मिल जाएगा. वही तो मीन होता है. सो वी गॉट दैट. सो वी द आंसर इज दिस. सो दोनों मेथड से कर सकते हैं. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द मीन इज. ऑल्दो वी विल डू द क्वेश्चन ऑफ एवरेजेस स्टिल. चलिए, now look at this. Guys, look at this question. We are given this question. A certain 3-digit number have the following characteristic. All the 3 digits are different. The number is divisible by 7. The number on reversing the digit is also divisible by 7. How many such 3-digit numbers are there? Okay. How many such 3-digit numbers are there? So see, any 3-digit number we can let's say it is xyz. All right, so how can we express this as 100x plus 10y plus z? इसका जो रिवर्स नंबर होगा 100z plus 10y plus x से हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज हाउ वी रिप्रेजेंट. वी हैव सीन दिस नोटेशन ऑलरेडी इन द नंबर सिस्टम. क्योंकि हमको वो करना है कि जो 3-digit नंबर है, ओके, सो वी वांट टू डू दिस कि जो 3 डिजिट नंबर है उसका जो रिवर्स है, ठीक है ना, दैट शुड बी divisible, both should be divisible by 7, so we have to find the number of digits. ओके, सो वही प्रोसेस हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं, जस्ट वी आर अप्लाइंग अवर नॉलेज. So this is 100x plus 10y plus z and 100z plus 10y uh, plus what? Plus x. Okay, plus x. Okay, so this is how we can write these numbers. Now see, whenever a number and its reverse are subtracted, okay, whenever these are subtracted, we get 99 as a remainder. Okay, we get 99 or multiple of 99 as remainder. Okay, or the multiple of 99 as remainder. You can see, for example, 168 and 861. So you are getting here what? 3. Okay, you are getting here 3. Here you are getting 9. And here you are getting what? Uh, uh, this is what? 7. So this becomes 693. Now, is 693 a multiple of 99? Obviously, 7 nines are 63. This is 7 nines are 63, 693. So, whenever a digit and its reverse is subtracted, the remainder will be 99 or a multiple of 99. Okay, or a multiple of 99. Now, let's subtract this. Okay, let's subtract this. So, 10y will get cancelled. So, this will be 100x minus 100z plus z minus x. Okay, z minus x. So which is obviously becoming what? Which is obviously becoming 99x minus 99z. So the number is what? 99x minus z. Now it is saying these numbers are divisible by 7. So their difference should also be divisible by 7. Okay, these numbers are divisible by 7. So their difference should also be divisible by 7. क्योंकि अगर दो नंबर फॉर एग्जांपल आपका ये 2 और 2 से डिविजिबल है, 4 and 2 है, या ये 2 से डिविजिबल है, सो इनका डिफरेंस 2 है, वो भी तो डिविजिबल होता है. सो व्हेन आप ले लीजिए 7 and 14, अगर ये 7 से डिविजिबल है, सो 14 minus 7 भी तो 7 से डिविजिबल है. ओके, सो दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 7. ये भी जो डिफरेंस आया, this number is divisible by 7. Okay, yes, this number is divisible by 7. Now we know this 99 is not divisible by 7. This 99 is not divisible by 7. Okay, this 99 is not divisible by 7. So x minus z should be divisible by 7. Okay, x minus z should be divisible by 7. Now see, you will get only few numbers in which x minus z is divisible by 7. देखिए x एक single digit number है, ठीक है, तभी तो x y z कोई digit होगा, and z भी एक single digit number है, तभी तो x y z कोई digit होगा. Okay, so you know x can be 9, then this z can be 2. Okay, and if x wants to be 8, then this z has to be 1. ओके, तो ये देखिए x और z तो हमें मिल गया. ओके, सी आइदर इट विल बी 1 8 और दिस विल बी 2 9. ऑल राइट, सो आई होप you noted this down. If not, pause the video, note it down, and then let us see. Okay, then let us see what happens next. So you have 9 comma 2 and you have 8 comma 1. Okay, 9 comma 2 and 8 comma 1. So see, now what will be the possible numbers when we put 1? फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी, दोनों जो नंबर है और रिवर्स है, बोथ शुड बी डिविजिबल. ओके, बोथ शुड बी डिविजिबल. सो वी पुट दिस 1-8. ऑल राइट, 1-8. सो वेदर दिस इज डिविजिबल और नॉट, तो अभी बीच की डिजिट फाइंड करते हैं जिससे वो 7 से डिविजिबल हो. ओके, सो लेट अस सी हाउ वी कैन फाइंड दिस नंबर. Now this is what? This is basically 8. So 7 will go 4 times. Okay, 7 will go 4 times here. Okay, so here 28 लाने के लिए हमें एक ऐसा नंबर चाहिए जो यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 2 दे दे, है ना, इन्हीं नंबर जो यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 2 दे दे. तो अगर 1 के साथ हम यहाँ पे 6 रख लेते हैं, so 7 2s are 14 and this will give remainder 2, then this will be divisible by this. Okay, सो 168 हमको एक नंबर मिल जाता है, 168 हमको एक नंबर मिल जाता है। अगर हम कोई और नंबर रखते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से यहाँ पे टू रख लेते हैं, तो हमें 58 से फिर डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। 3 रख लेते हैं तो हमें 48 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। ओके, so then that will not come. So this is how we decided that 6 will be here. So 168 is divisible by 2. Similarly, 861 is also divisible by 7. Sorry, 168 is divisible by 7. Similarly, 861 is also divisible by 7. This is what? This, and this is 14, and this is 21. Okay. So you have 168 and 861. I hope आपको पूरी कहानी समझ में आएगा, because that was really the कहानी. And then you have 9, 2. So देखिए ये नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल है, and we know हमको 42 चाहिए, है ना। हमको यहाँ पे 42 चाहिए, बिकॉज 7 6 42, हमें इससे डिवाइड करना है 7 से, हमें यहाँ 42 चाहिए। अभी देखिए, आई विल नॉट यूज दिस बिकॉज ये नंबर बड़ा होता है, तो इसका रिवर्स करके देख लेते हैं। ये 29, तो हमें यहाँ 49 चाहिए, तो मेरे को यहाँ पे 4 चाहिए, है ना। आई वॉन्ट 4 हियर। ओके, सो वॉट शुड द नंबर आई पुट हियर टू गेट 4 हियर? सो आई विल पुट 5. I'll put 5 because 7 threes are 21. 21 and I get 4, then 7 sevens are 49. So 259 is the number. Let's see whether its reverse is also divisible by 7 or not. So we have 952 here. Now what I will do, 7 1 times 7. Okay. Then I have 25. 7 threes are 21. Okay. Then I'll get 42. I get 42. So this is, I find 4 numbers basically. And what are those 4 numbers that are also easily available to you? So this is what the question was asked even in 2017. So this is not on the easier side. You have to use a lot of concepts here. तो 2017 में भी पेपर उतना easy नहीं था, है ना? But see, obviously these questions can be left and other questions can be done. But now you don't to leave them as well, okay? Because you know how to solve them. So, all right, now let's see this another question of UPSC. Now you see we have how many numbers are there between 99 and 1000 such that the digit 8 occupies its unit place. Okay, तो unit place पे 8 होना चाहिए. We have to find those numbers, ठीक है ना. So 100 से 200 के बीच में देख लीजिए how many times you will get this 8 at unit place. 108 में मिलेगा, 208 में मिलेगा, 308 में मिलेगा, 408 में मिलेगा, 508, 608, 708, 808. Sorry, this is wrong. What I was trying to tell here as 99 से 100 के बीच में देख लीजिए आपको कितनी बार 8 मिलेगा. So 108 में मिलेगा. ओके, सॉरी 99 से आप 100 से 200 के बीच में देख लीजिए, बिकॉज दिस कंटेन्स नो मीनिंग कि 99 से 1000. ऑब्वियसली 99 के बाद तो 8 आएगा ही नहीं, तो 100 से 1000 के बीच में जितने यूनिट डिजिट पे 8 मिलेंगे उतने 99 से 1000 के बीच भी मिलेंगे. सो लेट अस सी 100 से 200 के बीच में, इन बिटवीन 100 to 200, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी आर गेटिंग 8. सो 108, 118, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98. Okay, how many times you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times you are getting 8 between 100 to 200. Okay, then between 200 to 300, you will get how many times? 10 times. Between 300 to 400, again 10 times. Okay. सो आपको कहाँ तक जाना है? 1000 तक जाना है. ओके, सो 400 to 500, अगेन 10 टाइम्स. ओके, this was between 100 to 200. Then 5 to 600, again 10 times. 6 to 700, again 10 times. 7 to 800, again 10 times. 8 to 900, again 10 times. ओके, एंड यूनिट्स प्लेस पे ही बात कर रहा है. एंड 9 to 1000, again 10 times. Okay, so how many times you're getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times you're getting. All right, you are getting 9 times. And how many numbers between 99 to 1000 they are asking? So basically you are getting 90 times. Okay, basically you are getting 90 times. So I hope it is clear to everybody. A two-digit number is reversed. The larger of the two number is divided by smaller one. What is the largest possible remainder? Okay, what is the largest possible remainder? Now you have a two-digit number x, y, and its reverse will be yx, and this can be written as 10x plus y, and this can be written as 10y plus x. Okay, now see, we have to find the largest possible remainder. So I'll put this number as x equal to 9. So this will become 90 plus y, and this will become 10y plus 9. Okay, this will become 10y plus 9. Now see, for y, I will not keep very small number. Okay, 1 नहीं रखूंगी, क्योंकि अगर 1 रखूंगी तो देखिए रिमाइंडर बहुत ही स्मॉल हो जाएगा, मेरे को स्मॉलेस्ट रिमाइंडर नहीं मिलेगा. आई नो कि जब भी x माइनस वाई और y माइनस एक्स को अपन सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो वी गेट 9 एज द नंबर. जब भी टू डिजिट नंबर के रिवर्स से टू डिजिट नंबर के रिवर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट टू डिजिट नंबर के रिवर्स से उसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो वी गेट 9 एज रिमाइंडर. ओके, वी गेट 9 एज द एक्चुअली सब्सट्रैक्शन. ओके, सो यहाँ पे मैं क्या करूंगी, जब मैं ये y को आई विल नॉट कीप अ वेरी स्मॉल नंबर. ओके, बिकॉज देन दिस विल बी डिविजिबल, एक स्मॉल रिमाइंडर मिलेगा. आई डोंट वांट स्मॉल रिमाइंडर, है ना. आई वांट टू फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट पॉसिबल रिमाइंडर. सो आई विल कीप द मिडिल ऑफ द टर्म. सो मैं y को अगर 4 रख लूं, so I'll get 94 and I'll get 49. Now let me just divide this 94 by 49. Okay, so what I'm going to get as remainder, because this is what, this is 2 times 98, so I can't do 2 times, so I'll put only 1 time. So I'll get what, I'll get 5 here and I'll get 4 here, I'll get 45, है ना. और अगर एक और बीच का मिडिल टर्म आई कीप 95, सो 59 हो जाता है. तो 59 तो देखिए बिल्कुल ही नहीं डिविजिबल है. मतलब 59 टू टाइम्स तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं डिविजिबल होगा. सो आई जस्ट कीप 59 वन टाइम, एंड देन व्हाट विल आई गेट एज रिमाइंडर 36, बट आई विल गेट 45 ऑल्सो. सो 45 इज द लार्जेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर जो कि ऑप्शन में दिया हुआ है. इफ यू वांट टू चेक यू कैन चेक फॉर 96 एंड 69, बट देन यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर और स्मॉल हो जाएगा. क्यों? बिकॉज ये नंबर बढ़ गया, है ना. ये 69 काफी बढ़ गया, 10 बढ़ गया इससे. सो 96 कर देंगे तो 69, एंड नाउ व्हाट यू विल गेट एज रिमाइंडर 27. सो देखिए जैसे जैसे आप डिजिट्स को बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं, ओके, 94 रखा था आपने, तो आपका ये क्या आ गया था रिमाइंडर, आपका रिमाइंडर आ गया था 45. ओके, 93 और 39 करेंगे ना तो वो 2 टाइम्स में आपका डिविजिबल हो जाएगा, है ना. 93 और 39 करेंगे तो 2 टाइम्स में डिविजिबल हो जाएगा, रिमाइंडर स्मॉल आएगा. सो लाइक 93 2 टाइम्स इज व्हाट, 78. तो 2 टाइम्स चला जाएगा. दिस रिमाइंडर इज बिकमिंग स्मॉल. ओके, दिस रिमाइंडर इज बिकमिंग स्मॉल. हमको स्मॉल रिमाइंडर नहीं चाहिए था, हमको बिग रिमाइंडर चाहिए था. सो आई did this. All right, I did put this. So this is how you do this question. All right, this is how you do this question. Now let's move on. Let's do one more question and then we'll see in the next class. The question is given, if x is between -3 and -1 and y is between -1 and 1, x square minus y square is in between which of the following? Okay, is in between which of the following? So your x is between -3 and -1. तो -3 और -1 के बीच में अगर x है, okay, so it is basically between 1 and 9. X square is basically between 1 and 9. Okay, and y square आपका अगर -1 and 1 के between है. Okay, so your y square is between what? अभी यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं दिया है कि वो integer है नहीं है, ठीक है ना. So your y square is between 1 and c, it will be between 0 and 1. ओके, बिटवीन 0 एंड 1. देखो बिकॉज -1 से अगर लाइक 0.9 ले लेते हैं तो वो 0.81 हो जाएगा. ओके, -0.9 ले लेंगे तो वो -0.81 हो जाएगा. अगर 0.9 लेंगे तो 0.81 हो जाएगा. ओके, तो ये जो बेसिकली बिटवीन 0 एंड 1 हो जाएगा, है ना. ये बेसिकली बिटवीन 0 एंड 1 हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ इट इज आस्किंग देन x स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर विल बी बिटवीन व्हाट. तो आपका x स्क्वायर जो है वो बिटवीन 1 एंड 9 है, एंड आपका जो ये y स्क्वायर है वो बिटवीन 0 एंड 1 है. ओके, तो ये जो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर है वो कितने के बिटवीन हो जाएगा? सी द स्मॉलेस्ट कंडीशन व्हेन दिस इज 1 एंड दिस इज लार्जेस्ट, सो 0। एंड ये जब 9 हो और अगर ये 0 हो तो सी, लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन। इन अ स्कूल एवरी स्टूडेंट इज असाइन अ यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर। अ स्टूडेंट इज अ फुटबॉल प्लेयर इफ एंड ओनली इफ द identification number is divisible by 4. Okay, whereas a student is a cricketer if and only if its identification number is divisible by 6. All right. If every number is between from 1 to 100 is assigned to the student, then how many of them play football and how many of them play cricket? Okay, how many of them play cricket as well as football? Okay, so basically हमको ऐसे नंबर निकालना है between 1 to 100, ठीक है, जो 4 से भी डिविजिबल हो और 6 से भी डिविजिबल हो। ओके, जो 4 से भी डिविजिबल हो और 6 से भी डिविजिबल हो, आपको ऐसे नंबर निकालना है ना। सो बेसिकली it is saying if every number from 1 to 100 is assigned, okay, if every number from 1 to is assigned, how many of them play cricket as well as football? Okay, how many of them play cricket as well as football? So let's say हमको 12 मिल जाता है ना, हमको 24 मिल जाता है। ओके, हमको we will get many number like this. So basically what we have to do here, one thing that we can do here is we can take LCM of 4 and 6. Okay, we can take LCM of 4 and 6 and उससे जितने number between 1 to 100 divisible हो, so that numbers we can say, okay, so that many players. So LCM इसका क्या आएगा? This का 2 square and this is 2 into 3, so 2 square into 3 मतलब 12. Okay, 12. Definitely 12 is the first number which is divisible by 4 as well as 6. Okay, 12 is the first number which is divisible by 4 as well as it is divisible by 6 as well. तो 12 ले लेते हैं। अब now how many numbers between 1 to 100 are divisible by 12? So 1 is 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84 and 12 eights are 96. Okay, so you have basically how many number? 8 numbers. यहाँ पे basically 12 के multiples ही अब बचे हैं, है ना? So you have basically 8 numbers. So this 8 numbers become the answer. So see, LCM has such a good application in this question. Okay, LCM had such a good application in this question. Okay. Now look at this question. This came in 2015. You are given ABC into DEED gives ABC, where A, B, C, D are all different digits. Then what are the values of D and E? Okay, what are the values of D and E? तो अभी देखिए ये आपका DEE है, ठीक है ना। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ I have this number ABC and I multiply this by 101. So what I am going to get is ABC 000. Okay, and I'll get what? I'll get C here, B here and A here. Okay, तो यहाँ पे मुझे A plus C add कर जाना है बीच में. So I'm not getting this. But if I'll have 1001 and now I multiply this by ABC. Okay, ABC, then what I am getting here is इसको ऐसे लिख लीजिए, है ना, 1001. Okay, so you will get ABC, then you will get 000, then you will get 000. Okay, then what? Then आपका नंबर यहाँ से चालू होगा ABC. Okay, then you will get what? ABC. ओके, अब ये DEED है ना। सो बेसिकली D is 1, E is 00. तो ये बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है दैट वी कैन डू बाय अवर इंट्यूटिव नेचर, कि अगर इतना पता हो कि लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी हैव 39 एंड वी मल्टीप्लाई दैट बाय 101, सो वी विल गेट 39 into 39, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट विल गेट दिस, लाइक यू कैन सी, है ना। कैसे करेंगे? 39 00 and then 39 again, so we'll get 39. तो अगर 3 digit नंबर है और उसका ऐसा रिपीटेशन चाहिए ABC, तो हमको 4 डिजिट नंबर चाहिए, बीच में 2 जीरो चाहिए ताकि हम ये बीच में ऐड करते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन डू दिस क्वेश्चन. थोड़ा सा अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आइडिया लग गया है, सो डेफिनेटली वी कैन डू दिस क्वेश्चन. अनदर थिंग व्हाट यू कैन डू हियर इज, आप ये पुट करके देख सकते हैं, है ना. यू कैन पुट दीज नंबर. तो आप टू तो नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज टू करेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं ट्वाइस हो जाएगा, वी विल नॉट गेट दिस एबीसी एबीसी. ठीक है, तो इन दोनों में से किसी को पुट करके देख सकते हैं. अगर आप 0 1 1 0 करेंगे तब तो कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. सो दिस क्वेश्चन वाज ऑन इजियर एंड ऑन दैट साइड. ओके, सो 2015 था, इजियर ही आते थे. Okay, so this is up for this class. We'll continue some of the UPSC questions and the next topic from the next class. So thank you so much for this class. We'll meet in the next class.